Good job on those last couple of problems. Let's now look at how to classify different series. So we can classify series just like we can sequences. Okay, so we can classify them as algebraic, geometric, both, and neither. So let's look at an example of each and explain how to identify each series that you have. All right, now this is really important for the IXL assignment. The IXL assignment is literally you going through and identifying each of these things. I'm going to tell you what you need to look for to see that it's arithmetic, geometric, both, or neither. Pay very close attention. It'd be a good idea to write this down. All right, so this expression here is arithmetic because this is linear, okay? It has one n being multiplied by something. So it's 3n minus 6. That's a linear expression. There's no exponents. There's nothing going on. So write down no exponents. Okay, that's what you want to look for. If there's no exponents, but there is an x or an n, then it's linear. All right, geometric have n's in the exponent. Okay, so write that down. N's in exponent. Okay, they have n's in the exponent. If you see an n in the exponent, it's geometric. All right, both. This was a tricky one, okay? Both is really tricky, but not really because we can figure it out. It's both when it's a constant. Okay, when the rule is constant, it's both arithmetic and geometric. Okay, so constant rule, and that just means no variable. All right, and then the last type pops up sometimes, and this is a neither arithmetic or geometric. And that looks like this. Okay, it's when you have an exponent that's not a variable. So exponent that is not a variable. Okay, if you remember these four things, it's arithmetic when there's no exponents and an n. It's geometric when there's an n in the exponent. And it's constant or no variable means it's both. And then neither is when you have an exponent that is not a variable. Okay, if you remember these four things, you should be fine on that first IXL assignment. Now let's go do some practice.